guided meditation for eating disorders. Setting the environment. Let's start by finding a quiet space where you feel safe and undisturbed. Sit or lie down, whichever feels more comfortable for you. Close your eyes and take a moment to fully arrive in this space. Deep breathing. Begin by inhaling deeply through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath gently for a count of 4. Then exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 8. Repeat this pattern a few times. Feeling any tension or anxiety melt away with each exhale. Grounding with nature. Imagine yourself in a tranquil forest. The sunlight filters through the leaves, creating a dance of shadows and light. The air is fresh, and you can hear the soft sounds of nature all around you. Birds singing, leaves rustling, a distant stream flowing. Body scan. As you walk through this forest, your bare feet touch the soft, cool earth. Feel the sensations on your feet and then slowly move your attention up your body. Noticing and releasing any tension or discomfort as you go. Your ankles, calves, knees, thighs, all the way up to the top of your head. With every step in the forest, you feel more connected to yourself. Waterfall of acceptance. In the distance, you hear the gentle roar of a waterfall. Drawn to its sound, you walk towards it. As you approach, you see a beautiful cascade of water shimmering under the sun. Stand under this waterfall and let the cool, clear water flow over you. This water is magical. It washes away any negative feelings, self-doubt, or judgments you might have about yourself. Let it cleanse your spirit and feel the weight being lifted. Affirmations of love and worth. Still basking in the afterglow of the waterfall's energy, repeat these affirmations to yourself. My value is immeasurable. I honor and love my body for all its uniqueness. I am deserving of love, respect, and kindness. My struggles do not define me, they strengthen me. Feel the power of these words and let them replace any negative self-talk. Gift from nature. As you continue your journey in this forest, you find a small, radiant gemstone lying on the ground. This gemstone represents your inner strength and resilience. Hold it close to your heart, feeling its energy. This is a gift from the universe, a reminder of your inherent worth and strength. Coming back, slowly start to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Remember the forest, the waterfall, and the gemstone. They are always within you, symbols of peace, strength, and healing. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes.